This is the time for the $500 trading tips, and we will be checking this out right here in this video. However, before we go fully into it, in case you're joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. And if you love the content you are getting from here, kindly give me a follow right now, like this video, and share this video with friends and family. Okay, if you have any question, you can drop your question in the comment section or you reach out to me via WhatsApp. These are the assets that we'll be checking out. Everything I will be doing in this video will be based on my own personal analysis, trading tools, and the exact time frame I will be using. The performance also depends on when you are seeing this video. If you are not joining me live and direct, then you will have to have a recheck on the chart before you can follow up with the analysis. So let's go straight with GainX 1200. So I'm on 15-minute time frame using the 3M trend trade indicator to do my analysis right here. Okay, so this is GainX 1200. This actually started a downtrend right from here. I remember 2 days ago I gave us the signal, and of course, check it out. It has achieved all the TP 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 has just been achieved. Okay, so this is still buying. If it breaks out above this, then it will keep on buying. If it does not, it will switch back into a downtrend. But for now, it is still more of a buying opportunity than a selling opportunity. Next asset is going to be GainX 999. Let's check it out together. This is GainX 999. This was on downtrend right from here, but it got to the support zone, and I dropped this signal in the morning today. I said if it breaks out above this, it's going to buy, and of course, I expect it to achieve some TPs right there. So it achieved TP 1 and 2 before switching back into a downtrend. Okay, so things like this happens once in a while. So if it breaks out below this support zone, which is the stop loss for this signal, then definitely it will keep on selling. If it does not, then it will go back on uptrend. But for now, only 2 TPs have been achieved, and of course, it is selling right now. Next asset is going to be Paynex 1002. Let's check it out together. This is Paynex 1002, and of course, right from this support zone, this actually switched into an uptrend, and it has been buying since then. I also dropped this signal earlier today, and this is the entry point. This is the stop loss. It has achieved TP1, and we have 4 more TPs to go. We hope that it's going to achieve them one after the other. So this is going to be more of a buying opportunity than a selling opportunity. Let's check out Paynex 999. This is Paynex 999, and of course, this had actually been playing around there for a while, and it didn't break out below this support zone, so it's trying to go back into an uptrend. We expect it to buy fully if it goes back into an uptrend. So let's say this can be an activation for an entry on this particular asset, so you can adjust your stop loss to somewhere here and have some highlighted TPs for yourself. Okay, you can have some highlighted TPs for yourself right from there. So I'm just going to, so this is going to be the first TP, second TP, and the third TP should be somewhere here. Okay, so that's the fourth TP also. Okay, so that is if it activates this. That is if it does not go down to break down the support zone. So we expect more buying opportunity than a selling opportunity from there. The next asset, which is going to be the last one, is FX volume 80. Let's check it out together. This is FX volume 80. This had been on downtrend from here, and in the morning, I told us that we are still waiting for it. Was it in the morning? I think it was yesterday. I told us that we are still waiting for it to see if it is switching to an uptrend, but you can see it broke out below this support zone and got to a new support zone. Okay, so this is now a new support zone. If it should break out below it, it's still going to sell more. If it does not, it will switch back into an uptrend, but for now it is still on downtrend selling. Okay, so these are all that we are able to come up with today. All you just need to do is just for you to understand every part of the analysis and apply them carefully whenever you are trading. For those of you who are here to perfect your trading skill, kindly go back to my channel, watch my training videos, practice very well on your demo account before you try them out on your real account. And if you love my content, kindly give me a follow right now, like this video, and share this video with friends and family. Thank you.